10 years ago, this was unthinkable. Unthinkable to the professionals who said,
"Your son will never read. Prepare him for a life without reading."
But that idea was unthinkable to this mom. Dozens of reading programs had already failed.
The horse was brown.
So Marie got to work. She dug deep into her background in education, attended conferences on dyslexia, studied countless reading methods, and analyzed tons of research. And she put it all together in a logical, multisensory, step-by-step way with no gaps. The hard work paid off. Her son began to read.
Oscar built a skyscraper.
Yes! And read and read. Marie used her ideas to tutor other students who struggled with reading. The fact is, 34% of children struggled to learn to read. But Marie's method turns them into successful readers too. Now no one will have to go through this. Your child can succeed in reading because Marie has developed the ultimate reading program, All About Reading. Not only does All About Reading teach children everything they need to know about reading, it teaches them in the way they learn best. So whether you are just starting your child out in reading or you are working with an older student who needs help for some reason, don't wing it on your own. Join the community of families and teachers who use All About Reading. It's the multisensory, step-by-step program that makes reading a pleasure.